That was a big bird. And that was no owl, because he wouldn't have heard an owl. Woodstock grew up. Yeah. Oh yeah. This is like flying. Ah. Stop, Dan. I just had a bad day with my glasses. I had a, you know what happened is that, no, sort of, oh wow. A big spider landed on my left eye and was clawing around on the lens. And while hitting the brakes, took the glass off and I flung them so hard against the handlebars that I smashed them with my bare hands. But the spider's gone. You got a backup there? I got a backup there. That was an awesome ride until there was a spider climbing on my eyeball. That's why going ahead's not always the best. Yeah, I don't know, this is awesome. Always bring back, oh man. What the? There's something on the lens. Like a bug is just hanging out there. Okay, always check your lens too, you know. There might be a bug stuck to it. Oh no, I've killed Dan. Squeaky made it. Wow. I believe this to be Moose River then. If you want to continue on this trail, we got a heck of a portage ahead of us. I don't know. Wow, I wouldn't get too close to the edge of this thing. This might just give out. But this is where the fishing would have been. South end of the Moose River. We are on camera.
I've perfected this technique in the public market with my...
A creek crossing?
Well, holding the bike out in front of you and trying to like...
Oh, I see.
Walking through the public market. Some people get angry. like yelling at me.
Like, what are you doing here, you know? Like, the Amish troops are over there, lady. It's annoying, you know? Just running through the public market, there's this lady over here with like a 3-child stroller. Then there's another guy over there with like a chain gang of kids. You know, they're all carrying a bag of potatoes. Like, what are you doing? Why are you yelling at me, you know? Like the quiet guy with his headphones on, carrying his book bag, apologizing to everyone he bumps into. Lady comes over. What's going on, right?
Yeah. I was just really enjoying your rant there.
Ooh, that's
Cold? What'd you say?
good.
Good.
Oh, you know what I did with that chili though?
What'd you do?
I took those 4 baked potatoes and
Yeah.
I smashed them into that into Sean's cast iron little thing there.
Yeah.
And I took that like Chinese leftover dish full of chili and dumped that on the potatoes.
Yeah.
And then when we get back, I'm gonna crack 8 duck eggs on top of it.
Nice.
Scramble it up a little bit.
Right.
Toss some of that cheddar on there.
Yeah. Still got a block of it.
It'll be a pretty good after ride dinner.
This is surprisingly clear, nice water. I don't mind walking through this at all. It's not like that leech-infested water I was in yesterday.
Did you put shorts in your car?
No.
Yeah, people yell at me a lot at public market. They're not the vendors. The vendors love me.
Except for that one girl. She the one to give you the phone number.
Oh, I know, right? Why would you give me your phone number, then ignore 3 of my calls, and then tell me by text message of all things? You know, what is that? It's like, that's why I don't, like, I don't know. I haven't dated a girl my age in, like, well, a long time, man. It's just weird, man. I don't understand. And, like, it's like, I'm just trying to be straightforward, like, hey. You know?
Well, we found the road on the other side. Let me strap up here. Hang on. Okay, all right. Yeah, why not? Oh, wait. Wow. Huh. Wait a minute. This isn't where we should be then. This has got fresh car tracks and stuff. Wait a minute. 35? What the, who the? Somebody's campsite. This is the first time.